Okay, we're here at our very first campsite with Millie, the new motorhome. And if you look around, this is a beautiful campsite. It's classic Army Corps of Engineers. It's on the water because that's what the Corps of Engineers do. They build dams and then they put in campsites next to them. So we're in this beautiful spot, but the question is, if you look down here, this slopes down quite a bit to almost the cement, and so the last maybe 8 feet of the blacktop down there is level or relatively level, and that's also right about where actually our front tires are a little forward of that, depending on how far back we go into there. It's also kind of a narrow area. It's downhill, and so this is going to put Joe's skills to the test here right on the very first day. So first though, we're going to disconnect towed because you cannot back up with that tow car behind us. It goes cattywampus all over because there's three points of turn. So anyway, I'm gonna disconnect this and we'll let Sharon photograph it. Normally she helps, and the two of us together can undo this in about 5 minutes. So anyway. So this is how towed is configured when she's being towed. Then we disconnect all the cables from the front of the towed, disconnect the cables from the back of the motorhome, then stow all the cables in a little bag that we carry with us. So there's Sharon putting all the cables into the bag. Then disconnect the tow bar itself from the towed. Take off the driver's side mirror cover and take off the passenger side mirror cover. Start folding the tow shield up onto the car. Fold it up till we get to the windshield. Then disconnect the stretch cable that holds it inside the windshield. Fold it all up into a nice little piece so we can stow it in the back. Then fold the tow bar behind the motorhome. I'm now in the motorhome getting ready to back it up down that slope and into the parking spot.
Well, this is something you're not going to hear very often. I am narrating at the moment because Joe is driving. That would be a really bad idea, but here we go. First attempt to get into the spot. Looking good so far. Nice. Looking good.
Okay, well, I guess we did okay. We got the front tires on the pavement instead of the asphalt. Back in it actually was very simple because the road curves kind of that way, and I was able to line up. I spotted a tree ahead of me. I lined that lined up with this driveway. I turned and got lined up, and I didn't have to turn. I hardly had to turn at all coming back. So that worked out really well. So it's looking good. Great spot. So we'll see how the sunset looks. Talk in a bit.